Lilacs, a lovely and fragrant spring bloomer. Hi, I'm Sara, head gardener at Frost Farms, and a bunch of these beauties just came in. When planting a new lilac, make sure the spot is in full sun and you dig the hole twice the size of the pot. Doesn't have to be exact, just eyeball it. And then you'll scratch a fertilizer into the roots. We like the Coast of Maine all-purpose plant food because it's low nitrogen, and it'll give your shrub the boost it needs in the spring. If your lilac looks tired, hit it with some triple phosphate, a nutrient that will revive your blooms. These lilacs are fresh and colorful, but when they turn brown, it's time to deadhead and prune. If you wait too long, you'll risk next year's growth and blooms. For mature lilacs, make sure you cane out the oldest limbs to ensure that you have continuous healthy growth year after year. Find these lilacs and more here in Town Hill or online at frostfarmsmdi.com. Thank you for watching and happy planting!